Google Fiber 1 gig plan. In today's video, we are going to review Google Fiber's 1 gig plan. It is a symmetrical internet service with different pros. The first one is high and symmetrical speeds. It offers 1000 Mbps download and 1000 Mbps upload speeds, which is excellent for activities like streaming in multiple locations, large file uploads, and online gaming. It has reliability. Many users report Google Fiber is a very reliable service with little downtime, although this can vary by location. It has no hidden fee or contracts. The service is known for its transparent pricing without contracts, data caps, or extra equipment fee. It is good for many devices. The high bandwidth can handle multiple devices simultaneously, such as smart TVs, phones, tablets, and gaming consoles without slowdowns. It included equipment. Plans often include a high-performance router such as the Nest Wi-Fi Pro to provide reliable Wi-Fi coverage. Now let's talk about its cons. Variable customer experience says that many report smooth performance. Some customers have experienced frustrating issues with slow speeds or dropouts. Google Fiber is not available in all areas, so you must check its availability for your specific address. A small number of users have reported poor customer service or equipment problems that required technician visits. Now, who is it for? Households that have a multiple people using internet for activities like streaming, gaming, and video conferencing. Those who work from home and need reliable high-speed internet for uploading and downloading large files. Users who want a simple, all-inclusive plan with no long-term contracts or hidden fee. So that's about who can use it. Now we will see who might want to look elsewhere. Individual areas where Google Fiber is not available are users who have a history of poor experiences with other ISPs and are concerned about potential service issues. Those with extremely high bandwidth needs who may require a higher tier plan than 1 gig. So that's all about Google Fiber 1 gig plan. I hope you found this video helpful. Please drop a like and comment.